Your deployments are failing and you don't know why.
I've seen these same 10 Docker and Kubernetes mistakes destroy production systems over and over again. In this video, I'll show you each mistake, why it's dangerous, and the exact fix.
Stop killing your deployments. Let's fix them all right now. Mistake number 1. Running containers as root. This is the most dangerous mistake on this list. By default, Docker runs everything as the root user. That means if an attacker exploits your app, they get full root access. They can escape the container and own your entire host machine. The fix is dead simple. Add a non-root user in your Docker file with the user directive. 2 lines of code that could save your entire infrastructure. Mistake number 2. Using the latest tag in production. The latest tag is not a version. It's a moving target. You deploy on Monday and everything works. You deploy the same manifest on Tuesday and it breaks because latest now points to a different image. You can't roll back reliably because you don't know what version you were running. The fix: always pin specific version tags. Even better, use SHA digests for completely deterministic deploys. Mistake number 3. No CPU or memory limits on your containers. Without resource limits, one pod with a memory leak can consume all the memory on a node and kill every other pod running there. This is the noisy neighbor problem. Kubernetes also can't schedule pods properly without resource requests. The fix: always set both requests and limits for memory and CPU. Requests tell Kubernetes what you need. Limits tell it the maximum. Set both. Protect your cluster. Mistake number 4. Missing health checks. Without liveness and readiness probes, Kubernetes thinks your pod is healthy even when it's completely dead inside. Traffic keeps routing to broken pods, and your users see errors. If your app hangs, there's no auto restart. The fix: add both liveness and readiness probes. Liveness checks if the app is alive. Readiness checks if it's ready to receive traffic. Kubernetes will auto-heal your pods for you. Mistake number 5. Hardcoding secrets in your images or YAML files. API keys in your Docker file get baked into the image and leaked to everyone who pulls it. Secrets committed to Git history are permanently exposed. Even putting secrets as plain text environment variables in pod specs is visible to anyone with kubectl access. The fix: use Kubernetes secrets or an external vault like HashiCorp Vault. Never, ever hardcode secrets. Mistake number 6. Running only one replica in production. A single replica means a single point of failure. When that pod restarts for any reason, every user experiences downtime. Rolling updates are impossible with just one pod. The fix: run at minimum 2 replicas, ideally 3. And add a pod disruption budget to guarantee availability even during cluster maintenance and node upgrades. Your app stays up no matter what. Mistake number 7. Fat Docker images. I've seen production images that are 2 gigabytes or more. Huge images mean slow pulls, slow deploys, and a massive attack surface with unnecessary packages. You're shipping build tools, compilers, and dev dependencies to production. Total waste. The fix: use multi-stage builds with Alpine base images. Your 2 gigabyte image becomes 80 megabytes. Fast pulls, tiny attack surface. Mistake number 8. Logging to files inside containers. When a container dies, those log files are gone forever. You can't search across multiple pods. And if the disk fills up, the container crashes. The fix: always log to standard output. Kubernetes collects SNOUT automatically. Then ship your logs to a centralized system like ELK, Grafana Loki, or CloudWatch. Searchable, persistent, and across all your pods. Mistake number 9. Dumping everything in the default namespace. I've seen clusters with 200 pods all in the default namespace. Zero isolation. You can't set per team resource quotas. RBAC becomes a nightmare to manage. The fix: organize your namespaces by environment or by team.
production, staging, monitoring, each in their own namespace. Add resource quotas per namespace to prevent any team from consuming the entire cluster. Mistake number 10. No rollback strategy. A bad deploy with no rollback plan means extended outage. Manual rollback under pressure leads to panic and human error. No deployment history means you're guessing blindly. The fix: use rolling update strategy with max surge and max unavailable configured properly. Keep revision history with revision history limit. When things break, one command: kubectl rollout undo. Instant rollback. Sleep well at night. 10 Docker and Kubernetes mistakes, all fixed. No more running as root. No more latest tags. Proper resource limits, health checks, and secrets management. Your deployments are now secure, reliable, and production grade. If this saved you from a production incident, smash the like button and subscribe for more DevOps content. Comment below which mistake has burned you the worst. See you in the next one.